So some of the box odds there. I don't know that these have numbered cards. I don't think these hangers have numbered cards. They would be replaced with the rookie variations. So that's what we'll be looking for. I think in the past when I've opened these, seems like we were getting 3 to 4 per 10 boxes. So hopefully we can be consistent again tonight and have that kind of luck, because those rookie variations are sick. And then, of course, we got the chance for autographs and stuff too. So what I'm going to do, like I did the other night, I'm going to go ahead and bust out all the black boxes, because there's a box within this box. So we'll bust all the boxes, get those out, and then we'll just go from there and do the break. Because I just don't want to be constantly grabbing that knife and getting that box out over and over again. See if I can get a few of these out. Just so much like I feel like it's just so much paper waste with this stuff. The little black box. It's got all of our goodies inside. I haven't checked the prices on these in a while, so I don't know what the hanger is going for. I'd imagine it's still in the low 30s, but I think they were even still putting some on the shelves the last couple weeks. But one of these days you will witness me slice my finger. I just hope it's not anytime soon. Makes me nervous. The old box blade. I'm kind of liking those little black boxes now. They kind of look cool. When I first started opening them, I was having so much trouble, and I still probably have some issues tonight, but I don't know. I kind of like them better than the cellophane. I feel like they might protect the cards a little bit better too. I do have a few Target hangers that I got as well. I don't know what the difference is. I haven't opened any yet, so we'll probably break those eventually too. All right, we got 10 little black boxes ready to roll. I haven't seen any in my store either. I had a buddy that said he got some today from his store. We only got 2 little hangers, so it could have been something where they just threw a couple out of the box on there. So we'll go ahead and get started, folks. Best of luck to everybody. Best of luck to myself opening these little black boxes, but I should have it figured out by now. So hopefully everything goes nice and smooth for us. Knees weak, palms sweaty. All right, we got an old school Troy Aikman. And then we'll start with the base, I guess, right after that. Stephon Diggs, T.Y. Hilton, A.J. Green, Chris Jones, Ryan Tannehill, Darius Slayton, Richard Sherman, Randy Moss, A.J. Brown, a Mosaic Marcus Mariota for the Raiders. Still do not understand how he got a card, but Derek Carr did not. Sam Darnold orange for the Jets. Charles Tillman orange for the Bears. Isaiah Simmons, rookie for the Cardinals. He's kind of a tough pull. Got game J.J. Watt. Will to win Drew Lock. We have a Kenneth Murray rookie for the Chargers. Another Isaiah Simmons. He's got one of those little fingernail dings under his arm there. Hall of Fame Emmitt Smith. If you want to take your kids to the Super Bowl, feel free to punch all those digits in. That was not a great hanger. No variation. Only one rookie. We did have a Mosaic, but it was not a true silver. Just one of those Mosaic silvers. Not a great start. Not a great start. All right. T.Y. Hilton, A.J. Green, Chris Jones, Roger Staubach, Zach Thomas, Daniel Jones, Darren Waller, he's a little beast, T.J. Watt, Mike Yasecki, card is a little jammed in there, Mosaic Pro Bowl Harrison Smith for the Vikings. Can't tell if there's a card. There is a card behind that one as well. All cracked together there. A Khalil Mack orange for the Bears. Michael Thomas Pro Bowl for the Saints. Nice card there. Steve Young orange. And Devontae Adams orange. So we just got a bunch of veteran players that round. Maybe we'll have a nice rookie here. Tony Gonzalez. Got game Nick Chubb. We got a nice C.D. Lamb rookie. Cowboys. Hall of Fame Jim Kelly, Cortland Sutton orange for the Broncos, and a Pro Bowl Kenny Golladay. Where's all the rookies at? There's one rookie in that pack? That was CeeDee Lamb, but we opened some of these the other day. I think we had like 4 or 5 rookies in one of the hangers one time. I believe we still can get the Genesis cards in here. Just don't know how frequent they are. Hopefully. Luke Kuechly, Peyton Manning, Tyler Boyd, Tyrann Mathieu, Kirk Cousins, Marshawn Lynch, Michael Thomas. Oh, we got another card. Some of these base cards be jammed together. There we go. Chris Conley, Melvin Gordon. We have a rookie Mosaic. Brandon Ayuk for the 49ers. Chris Jones, orange. Hall of Fame Brian Urlacher. Old Derrick Henry, orange for the Titans. A.J. Green for the Bengals. Moving on to a got game Aaron Rodgers. Will to win Barry Sanders. Got a Jerry Jeudy rookie for the Broncos. Hall of Fame Barry Sanders. Ooh, a little Joe Burrow action there for the Bengals. And a Pro Bowl Harrison Smith. So we had 3 or 4 rookies in that one. One of them is old Joe Burrow. Poor Joe Burrow. R.I.P. Got this nice Mosaic too. The 49ers. Here we go. All right, moving right along. Good thing those are boxes. It's easier to rip those things. No goofing around. So Let's have a rookie on the very top. Zach Moss for the Bills. Another one, A.J. Dillon. Pro Bowl Kirk Cousins. We have a green flea flicker for the Colts. Edgerrin James, Peyton Manning, Reggie Wayne. It's so weird to me how the hanger lineups are always just varying inserts on the front this time. Will to Win Lamar. Got a nice orange Jacob Eason rookie. Michael Vick orange. Zach Thomas. Another Jacob Eason. What in the world? 2 Jacob Easons in the same box. Both orange reactive rookies. Jeff Saturday. We got a green Jerry Jeudy. This is a little bit better box here. And then now we may be getting to the base cards. Tyler Lockett, Jason Taylor, James Conner, Melvin Gordon, Marlon Mack, Von Miller, Chandler Jones, Odell Beckham Jr., and Hall of Fame Michael Irvin slipped on the last card there. So random. You just never know what's going to be first. That was a decent rookie box, though. 3 color rookies. Granted, 2 of them were the same player, but if you're the Colts, you got to love it. We are 4 boxes in and no variation yet, so that's kind of alarming. Like I said, we usually average 3 to 4 per 10 box break. Now, we did have a break one time where 3 of the last 4 boxes had a variation, so that could happen, but who knows. All right. Moving along. That's a nice little box there. Still looking for a nice big Tua and a nice big Herbert. All right. Lamar Jackson, Kareem Hunt, Julio Jones, Matthew Stafford, Cole Beasley, Dan Marino, Nick Bosa, Sonny Michel, Ryan Tannehill, a green Aaron Donald for the Rams, Tyler Eifert, orange, a debut Cole Kmet for the Bears. His debut cards always surprise me. Got a Juju orange for the Steelers and a Marlon Mack orange for the Colts. Flea Flicker for the Jaguars. Leonard Fournette, Gardner Minshew, DJ Chark. Will to Win green mosaic of Drew Brees. KJ Hamler rookie. MVPs Aaron Rodgers. And a Michael Pittman Jr. rookie for the Colts. Oh, snuck one in there. I thought that was going to be a sleepy little base card, but we got a nice little debut Herbert on the back. Somebody said a Prism rookie base of Herbert's advertised for like $300 on eBay today. Is that real life? I know a lot of people are getting the stuff and already opening it. But I cannot imagine that sort of price holds up for a base rookie card, a raw base rookie card. And I could see like a few $100s for like a PSA 10 base rookie Herbert, but good golly, not that much for just a raw card. That's amazing if that stuff sells that high. As more packs get opened, I'm sure the price will come down. My glove's sliding off there. There we go. Well, that last box was a halfway point, so we got 5 boxes left. Nothing crazy yet. Cole Beasley, Andre Johnson, Allen Robinson, Tony Gonzalez, Zeke Elliott, Max Crosby, Sean Jackson, Ricky Williams, Russell Wilson. Got a green Hall of Fame, Michael Irvin, the Cowboys. Lynn Dawson, the Chiefs. Nice MVPs, Lamar Jackson. Orange reactor for the Ravens. Oh, Nick Bosa, pulled 3 Genesis cards of him. And Kyle Fuller for the Bears. We have a Will to Win, Patrick Mahomes. Got game green of Darius Leonard. These rookies better be good. That box overall is pretty bad. Cole Kmet. MVPs Peyton Manning. T. Higgins. And, hey, we got a debut 2 at least. So we hit up the 3 quarterbacks because we need some color before this all said and done. 3 base cards are not going to do it. I'd like to see a variation. Those things must be hyper rare. Open 6 boxes already. All right, rolling along. All right, Kareem Hunt, Julio Jones, Matthew Stafford, Kyle Fuller, Lynn Dawson, Daniel Jones, Darren Waller, TJ Watt. These cards are having like some weird little scratches across the sides. That's usually where the other print line for the rookie, like a rookie card will have a little print line over there, like an emboss or whatever you want to call it. But these are like scratch looking. That print line runs all the way across that base card for some reason. Mike Gesicki. I have a Nick Chubb green for the Browns. Lawrence Taylor orange. Darius Leonard orange. Keyshawn Vaughn orange rookie for the Bucks. Eddie George orange. Will to Win Jerry Rice. We have a flea flicker for the Cowboys. Zeke Elliott, Dak Prescott, and Amari Cooper green. We have a Van Jefferson rookie. A debut CeeDee Lamb. Another KJ Hamler rookie. And another MVP's Aaron Rodgers. We gotta find something juicy or else this is gonna be super lame. All right, Deebo Samuel, TJ Hawkinson, Dak Prescott, Calvin Ridley, DJ Chark, Kerryon Johnson, Daniel Hunter, Chris Godwin, Saquon Barkley, Max Crosby, green Mark Ingram for the Ravens. I think I heard he was out this week for coronavirus. Baker Mayfield orange, Adam Thielen orange, Dwight Freeney orange. I have an old school Jerry Rice. Another flea flicker for the Colts. This is a green. Edgerrin Payton and Reggie Wayne. Brian Edwards. Pro Bowl Michael Thomas. Denzel Mims rookie. And a debut Henry Ruggs. So a lot of base rookies there. No color. I don't know, Slim. That's what I'm trying to figure out. I ain't even seen a variation yet. Just a ton of base rookies so far. And they put the colored cards on top. That's not too bad of one. Old Josh Allen orange for the Bills. Hall of Fame Emmitt Smith. Isaiah Simmons rookie. Touchdown Masters green of Larry Fitzgerald. We got old school Jerry Rice. Ooh, nice Patrick Mahomes orange. Looks decent with the Chiefs colors there. Cameron Jordan, the Saints. Ooh, sweet looking Jerry Jeudy orange. D Hop orange. I guess I have a weather alert. So I guess your weather alerts come through even when your do not disturb is on. Interesting note there. Jalen Reagor, green debut. So there is bad weather, I guess, in the area, if you needed to know. John Elway, Larry Fitzgerald, Boomer Esiason, Philip Lindsay, Richard Sherman, Darius Slayton, Ryan Tannehill, Sonny Michel, Nick Bosa, and a debut DeAndre Swift. Not gonna lie, that weather alert scared the crap out of me. That was so loud. I hope that wasn't super loud for you guys. Gosh, that was scary. I wasn't prepared for that. It's so quiet in here. You're just breaking and listen to the rain hit the roof. Boom. Screaming in your ear hole. That was actually a little bit better pack. We got a Mahomes. Nice Jerry Jeudy orange. Old Josh Allen. I'm glad this isn't an ASMR channel. I'm not trying to put anybody to sleep. Yeah, let me know if there's a tornado in Mena, Arkansas, because I have no idea. It's raining out there, but the wind wasn't howling when I come in. I'm going to brake till the roof comes off. No doubt. No Claypool. We pulled the Orange Reactive Juju, but no Chase Claypool yet. We got to find a variation in this last box here. 10 boxes, no variation. If you got a variation from any breaks you've been in or you pulled one yourself, they must be super short printed out. Like I said, we've gotten 3 to 4 out of usually the 10 box breaks, but tonight that's crazy. Oh, Hatfield, that's about 10 minutes away. John Brown, Deshaun Watson, Charles Tillman, Patrick Mahomes base, George Kittle, Adrian Peterson, Warren Sapp, Cameron Jordan. Oh, we have variation. Oh, that's a nice one. There we go. Little Justin Jefferson, top 5 rookie there. Crispy old Jason Witten. The only card in the entire set who's got the wrong jersey with the wrong team. Silver there. Man. But sick variation, though. Dwight Freeney orange. Old D. Brown for the Carolina Panthers. Orange rookie. Aaron Donald orange. I think we got a green and now an orange of him. Julius Peppers. Peyton Manning old school Julius Peppers Mosaic. There's a debut Clyde Edwards-Helaire for the Chiefs. Laviska Shenault rookie for the Jaguars. MVP's Tom Brady. And hey, a Clyde Edwards-Helaire base card. So Clyde may be like the Jacob Eason card. You may double up on him if he's in your packs. I don't know. Haven't opened enough of these to know how the sequencing goes. That was a good pack to end on. We didn't pull the quarterbacks we like to, but finally found the variation. I still hear cars going by, so they must not know about the weather. Most of my family lives on the south side. Well, I say south. I guess it would be east side of town, which is the opposite end of Hatfield. So if you look really close on a map, I live out like a little community called Nunley. But I hear the tornado siren going off outside, so I don't know. The other thing, are you guys still able to see and hear me? I'm kind of amazed that I actually have decent service. Through all this weather. Interesting. Yeah, Kevin, it's pretty wild out there. All right, we'll go through a quick recap. Oh, this is getting entertaining for myself. A little sweaty now. Isaiah Simmons, orange rookie. CeeDee Lamb, rookie for the Cowboys. That horn is ripping out there. Joe Burrow, rookie for the Bengals. Brandon Ayuk, Mosaic, rookie for the 49ers. Jerry Jeudy, green debut. Jacob Eason, orange rookie. Jacob Eason, orange debut. Herbert debut. Cole Kmet, orange debut. Tua debut, base. Lamar Jackson, orange MVPs. Keyshawn Vaughn, orange rookie for the Bucks. Yeah, I probably need to dip, huh? Jalen Reagor, green debut. Jerry Jeudy, orange for the Broncos. Got a nice Patrick Mahomes, orange. Josh Allen, orange. Clyde Edwards-Helaire, base rookie. We got a debut of him sitting over there as well. Old Derek Brown for the Panthers, orange reactive. Probably one of the sickest cards tonight. Not a crazy card, but a nice variation, Justin Jefferson. And a silver Jason Witten for the Raiders. That was actually our only true silver card of the break, which is kind of stinky. But anyways, I'm going to hop off here. I do hear some wind now, so fingers crossed everything's all right. You guys take it easy. Shoot me a message if you need anything. Catch you at the next break. Y'all take care. See ya.